What do I mean by using a term such as iconic encoding? After all, that term is neither truly Peircean nor purely Designerly. This is an example of a meta-language interfacing between the two. Building upon the practical act of attempting to rough out an initial concept to show a client the creative will through marks, lines, shapes, colours, etc. attempt to visualise in sketch form a visual to dynamically communicate their suggested idea for a solution to the client's brief. This sketch will attempt to suggest encode using sketched elements that possibly resemble shared qualities with is familiar to things within the experience of the intended audience, the client. These elements are rudimentary forms of representation, iconic, that visually communicate something of the intended message. In this example, creators will understand where the part of their design process and Peirce coincides.